get things rolling again. Oh, I gotta turn on some lights here. Light up my beautiful face. Hey, Derek. School thing went well. We've got a good guidance counselor. New one this year. She's really good. Fantastic. Let's get this thing rolling again. All right. Just getting some stuff kind of lined up here. All right, so let's see. What do we have on the docket? Oh yeah, we were working on the event detail screen. So, let's see. We need the talk type. Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pull this off screen to the other one so that it doesn't like confuse me and you. We're going to keep this one off to the side here. And pull this over a little bit. Pull this to the side a bit more. Go a little bit more. Just a little off screen like that. Yeah, that's good. All right, so what we're trying to do now is get this event detail screen rewritten as a functional component. So we need to bring in the talk. And to do that, we're going to need to const event store use stores, and then const current event store. There we go. Thank you. So the current event is there, and then we have, let's see here, talk type. This should be... Oh, I see what they're doing. They're like destructuring all this stuff. Do we want to do that? Event type. Current event. Okay. Now, if there is no current event, we need to... If no current event... we need to like render a fallback of some sort or navigate back. Maybe we just navigate back. I don't know. Const navigation equals use navigation, and then navigation go back. So if there's no current event, we just want to go right back. And I'm going to test this. Render text. Yo. Text. All right. Oh, what? Render. Return. So, okay. So expected token. Yeah, I think this was supposed to be in there too. All right, there we go. Reload. So, okay. That I think was working. I think the yo was like hidden up here somewhere. I don't see it, but it's probably up there. Hello. Hello. Yeah, see, it is working. So, okay. So, let's say that the event doesn't get set. So let's say that this doesn't happen. The set current event doesn't fire and it doesn't get set. So let's try that. Reload. It's just not going anywhere. It just goes right back. That's cool. And if I do this, then it works. Cool. All right. We've successfully validated that that will just simply go right back. And we should maybe throw up an alert as well. This should never happen, you know? All right, cool. All right, so now we have our current event. We have our event type, and then we're going to be grabbing that, and this should just be event type. All right. Talk store. Should be the event store. Discussions enabled. What is display tabs anyway? Oh, discussion. Yeah, we don't care about any of that. That goes away. We don't need the details in discussion. We don't need the discussion at all. Like, this really just shouldn't even be there. This code of conduct link probably needs to survive. So let me keep that out there. But the rest of this stuff. Wow, okay. Yeah, a lot of that was just that. So, okay. We don't need current view at all. So that's gone. Now, this render content image dimensions. You import this. Don't think we have this one yet. Yeah, we don't. Mirror. Hey, I don't know why, but it didn't show up in my multi-stream chat. Added a PR to solve issue with use navigation and TS. Really? Really? I gotta go check this out. Let's go check this out. Hey, here's the PR. First time contributor. I'm gonna go follow you. Y class React. Where are you seeing that? It's not. This is. I'm refactoring. I'm getting rid of that. So. Declaration merging. Okay. Navigator screen params. Ooh. Okay. Schedule navigator param list. That's this one. Tab navigator param list. And then declare global. Oh. React navigation, interface root param list, extends navigator param list, schedule navigator param list, tab navigator param list. Create bottom tab navigator param list. And so you're extending it globally in the TypeScript namespace here. React navigation, you're just extending it and saying, hey, here's all my types. You're smart. I like it. I like it. I like this a lot. We need this kind of already set up in Ignite, to be honest. We need this in Ignite, so this would be something that you could contribute to Ignite if you want at some point. You don't have to do it right now. But I like this. This is great. So let's see here. Get stash pull get stash pop. So we're gonna, so there's a conflict in render event right here. Okay, perfect. Set current event and then navigate to the details. And beautifully, look at this. Look at that. Whoops. Look at that. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. That is amazing. You're awesome, Mur. Thank you so much. And I learned some stuff. Like, that was pretty cool. We definitely need that in Ignite. That needs to happen. What's this ref problem here? Navigation ref. Oh, you know what? The navigation ref from navigation utilities probably needs to use there needs to be something here. Extends root param list. So another Jamin magic session. So create navigation container ref needs, what this needs here is some, it needs, it's a generic, right? So it needs a generic of some sort that tells it what param list. So a param list, ref with current. Yeah, because when we hand it in to the ref, wait, what happened? Oh, when we hand it in here, then this thing complains and says, hey, this is not compatible. So, yeah. So I'm going to put it as any here to do fix ref typings. All right. Maybe someone want to submit a PR. Cool. All right, so there's a to-do there. So I don't get why sometimes there's some like exclamations here when it's not actually. Is there an issue here? Okay, anyway. So we're back to the event details screen. Code of conduct link I'm going to comment out for now. And we need this render content, so I'm going to go grab that. Man, there's a lot of renders here. There it is. Okay. With image dimensions here. Okay, so in this event details, we're going to create a new file. It's going to be render content, tsx, and then export const render content image dimensions. What is the image dimensions anyway? Oh, we need to grab that. That comes from calculate image dimensions, which is in the image dimensions helper. So grab that. Then get screen width is from the theme. So got our image dimensions. Now, what is that anyway? It's a height and a width. Do I care about that in this image, in this details? Render content. I kind of feel like I don't. Like we should maybe just move this into the render content. So instead of having image dimensions here, we just drop it right in. And we would drop in that. And then we would import this. And we would import this. Yeah, there's no reason why we can't do that. So we're just rendering the content right there. Now, render content. What does it need though? So it's looking for props, navigation, state, params, talk, which is not what we want. What we want here is current event is what we want. And that is going to be render content props. Unknown better than any. Yeah, but then it would error. Right? I wouldn't be able to compile. Okay, so current event should be an event, and I'm going to import that. Or no, yeah. So current event, not talk type, event type. This is only being used in one spot, like just do that, right? Now, now this is where we're like rendering all of these. Let's go down this list, and this needs to be R. And again, this image dimensions thing doesn't need to happen, because if they need image dimensions, we'll just grab it. So these are all new files, or new new files, new components. We got a ways to go. And I don't actually need this here because, again, let me just grab all these in one thing. All right, gone. So render talk. Let's do it. Okay, export const render talk. And then now render talk should take a talk. An event actually. So we'll do a type here. Excuse me. There we go. So we don't need that. So event. Here, I'll do it this way. No. Okay. So, excuse me. We need to import the view. We need full size, which is going to come from the screen. Full size. Okay. It's going to be up here. Co-locating, right? Speaker image. We don't have that yet, so we're going to have to add that. Talk title. We don't have that. Hyperlink. We don't have that. Text. We need to pull it in from components. Speaker bio. We don't have that yet either. Do we not need the image dimensions on this one? I don't actually think we do. So these are going away. All right. So, palette, spacing, just adding these imports. There's a lot of kind of, you know, like, I don't know, like basic stuff that you have to kind of do, you know? So, speaker image. Now, where did speaker image end up? It is its own thing. And it is also a class. All right. I'm going to drag this into components here. Wow, that's not what I meant to do. Delete. Components right there. Speaker image. Hey, there's Kent. Very large Kent. Let's just delete that. And Okay. I think this is just for like tests or something like that. So yeah, let's see here. So we have export const function, and then props be like so. Oops, export function. We could do the const route if we wanted to. Return. No, we don't need that. Return there. Get rid of one of these. Okay, making progress. Now instead of this dot props, it should just be speaker. And so this will take speaker. Speaker image props is going to take a speaker, and that is going to be an actual speaker, not an any. It's going to be an actual speaker. And I'm going to do a type. Even though you're supposed to go with an interface. Being a rebel. I like to put that right there. Like props right there, and then you... we can put a little space there. Yeah. I don't know how people like to do that, but... Name, employer, and image. Okay. URI. Otherwise, it just does the height and width, I guess, with a view. And we don't put anything else. I guess, yeah. So speaker image is there. And now we just need to import it. And we're grabbing the first speaker. Okay, now we need the talk title. Let's go look at that. Okay, that needs to be in the components as well. Let's grab the talk title and drop it in there. By the way, this should be speaker image. And then we also need one for talk title. Okay. All right. Export function, talk title. And then we're going to talk title props. Type talk title props equals event. And we'll grab that. So now we can import that, and this needs to be the event itself. So we're passing that through, and then we're not. It's render. So we could just put this here. It's a workshop, a lot more to it. I mean, I could split these out. And we might actually want to, I don't know. Image dimensions calculation would be good to have in a use memo hook. Maybe. I mean, usually it's not worth it. Use memo is rarely worth it. Speaker image component that does not change too often. Yeah. Yeah. So it's not that important. Okay, so why is location? Oh. Okay, we have the talk. Okay, so let me just start from the top here. So instead of talk time, this is going to be event here. And this will be event type. Okay. That did not work. Event type. Okay. And then we also want the talk time. What is that? Talk time. Oh. It's doing a calculation. Well, I would prefer not to do a calculation. Right? Just put it in there as a duration. So that would then be duration here. We can just drop that in. Duration, cool. And then the title. Duration is also going to be a string. Cool. And then what's the title? Title of the event, I guess. And then location. What is the location anyway? Event. It's a string. Why is this complaining? Oh, because I'm not actually pulling it out here. All right. I think it was thinking it was like window.location, you know, from like the global window, you know. All right. So, open URL. We need the URL. Do we have a URL in the... curious. Oh, I see. What's label? Oh. Don't think we care about the location. Oh, I see. I see. I mean, okay, I'm gonna do that, but it's a little... Like, if I could just pass in the location and get a URL, that would be better. Maybe if I just did a function that did all this stuff. Maps URL. Okay. So there we go. Actually, I could just do this. There. Okay. Description, we should grab that from the event itself. And then prerequisites will also come from that too, so. And then we don't need this render talk. Don't need this render workshop. We should be in good shape now. Guess we don't need the time zone or format to time zone anymore because we are not really doing that. This returns back a string. Okay. Nice. Okay. Talk title done. Start time, end time, duration. I don't know what the menu items thing is used for. Like, render menu item. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, it's just strings. So that would be for lunch. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. By the way, do you like my new purple borders around things? And I cleaned it up a little bit. I was kind of embarrassed that Jenna would see what was going on and how badly I had butchered her design. Jenna designed my layout, so Jenna Fucci. It works for me. Okay, so there's that. Now let's see what else is kind of not done yet. This thing is showing up as red. I don't know why. Why are you showing up as red? Okay, well. Not gonna worry about it right now. Okay, hyperlink. We do need a hyperlink, so let's go look for that. Whoops. Lowercase l. We're importing it from React Native Hyperlink. Oh, okay. Yarn add React Native Hyperlink. Assume that does what it says it's gonna do. I'm gonna go look that up. I like it. Very focused app, or I mean, library, and does what it says it's gonna do. Nice. You have an on press as well, and you can get the URL and the text, and you can do stuff with it. Linkify it. Hasn't been updated in a long time. Curious. Some Dependabot stuff. Inject view props. Wrapper component. I don't know if there's any okay. I mean, if it does what it says it should do, you know, like why should we worry? All right. And then we have the speaker bio. Let's do the speaker bio. So again, the components here. I'm gonna go look for speaker bio. There it is. And it looks pretty basic. Delete the index here. add it to here as speaker bio. And then import what we need to import. Let's see. So this is a class. Let's do a function. And type speaker bio props equals speaker no. Okay. Oh, I got two of them. Ha. And then there's a last. Okay. And I think that was a question mark. So, okay. So we have all this stuff from props here. And that for some reason, like that. Split name, links. This is crying out to be this is crying out to be refactored, but there's only so much you can do, right? So render link, what is this? Let's make this a const render link equals text. And I'm going to just drop it up here. Or sorry, not text, string. Not sure what I'm thinking there. Okay, so hey, thanks for the follow, Ezekiel. I appreciate you hanging out with us this almost afternoon. Oh, I did that wrong. Okay, hold on. Props. Zshan and Zshan. Hi there. Curious to know, what is the database of choice for React Native apps? Do you mean backend or do you mean like on the device? Because there's different, kind of. Okay. Preset. Oh. So the preset needs to be set properly here. Instead of K, this needs to be preset. Let me go to the social button here. Wait, seriously? Why? Social button preset names. Oh, okay. That's actually kind of cool. All right, well, I can just import that then. And so then the K from that can actually be that, and I can just import that. There we go, that works. Giant bug on my window. Database of choice for React Native apps. Yeah, I don't know. Zebra, hello. How you doing? Thanks for hanging out. We are currently working on this app right here. It's a conference app. Hopefully, we get a chance to, you know, like actually get together. That'd be really nice, but. Yeah. So, I mean, if we, Easy91, thanks for the follow. Getting a few followers here, it's nice. Nice to have you all along. Okay, render link right here. Links K. Oh, wait a minute here. What was this before? Was it just link? Okay, I'm gonna back up some of this stuff and see what it was. It was just link. Okay, good. Okay. And then render link. So what is the K here? Oh, it's just a string. Links. So really the links, something a little off here. It's just turning into a string is the problem. Can I pass through that? Ah, okay. Can't do that. All right. So here's what I would do in this case. I would just say as that website. There is no website. This condition will always return false since the types website and websites. What is K here? Oh, it's the links. Okay, so website. So this was probably a bug. It's probably never working. Let's go to website. Let's go see what that is. No, it is websites. What the heck? I'm alright. How are you? I'm starting to learn TypeScript pretty soon. Was wondering if you ever used it to do React. Yeah, I'm kind of struggling with it right now, actually. If Kate is watching, which I don't know if she is right now, she might be off for lunch, but Kate has been learning TypeScript and she has some recommendations for what to follow. I know that she's done a lot of cool stuff with TypeScript. So the problem with this is that we have website right here, right? Should probably be websites. I mean, I could do website as well, I guess. And just do link for both. And then it satisfies that condition right there. What am I missing? Something wrong here. No. No. Map. Okay, I need a curly there. And then no parenthesis. 2 parentheses? I don't know. Zebra, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. My dude. Or dudette. So there's parenthesis. Why is this? Oh, there's a spare parenthesis. Nope, that one's right. Okay. So we have that, and we're mapping, and that one goes to that. We have links website map, and we link all, or we map all that. In the words of Kenan and Kel, I'm a dude. Dude broski. The bracket next to the first item in the ternary. I'm being very dumb right now. Hey, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do my live share thing again with read only. I'm going to drop it into my Twitch stream, Twitch comments here. And you can join if you want and help me debug this. So, something's screwy here. There's a bracket somewhere? I'm missing it. Something not quite right here. Wait a minute here. No, that's right. Do I need curlies around this? That'd be weird. No. Line 91. End of the line. Yeah, so like that, isn't that this whole thing right here? Am I wrong there? Like, am I wrong that this is... No, see, it's still a problem even if I just get rid of that, right? Show me your ways here. I'm gonna try to pull you to me. Okay, so I am not seeing it, whatever it is. If I just go null here. Yeah, it's not in that line, I don't think. Is there a missing... Okay, this is going down to here for some reason. Why is that going down to there? Oh, parenthesis curly. And no. Hey, maybe. Yeah. No worries. I'm having trouble with this too, but like, okay. So where's format? Nope, format doesn't want to work. It's an error somewhere. Okay, I need to do this is strictly as possible. So we have our these here. So let's so this is links. Okay, so okay, got our link keys, and we have our link keys map, and then we have our key, and then we don't really need to actually have, we can do a ternary without that, and then within that I don't need that, so I do need this. Okay. This should line up with this one, but it's not. It doesn't like it. Maybe I'll put a parenthesis around the whole expression. Yeah, and it's like, okay, yeah, this is cool. All right, then we have that map, so now we need a parenthesis there to match up with the map. No. And then after that, we have a curly. Did I finally get it? It feels like I got it, but like something's still not quite right. It's still not. Oh, we have an extra curly here? Ah! There's one hiding down there. Okay, I don't exactly know what I did, to be completely honest. Really, yeah, thank you, Mazen. Thank you. But when it all snaps into place because, you know, Prettier finally figures it out. I blame Prettier. Of course it's me. All right. Thanks, Mazen. Okay, I think speaker bios is good now. There's a lot of unused stuff here, but content. Okay, so render talk. Render workshop. Don't have that one yet. We do have to pass in the current event here, like so. No render workshop, no render break, lunch, panel, welcome, after party, because all we got done right there was the render talk. Oh, and we still need speaker bio imported. So, if I just go and comment those out and see if this thing is still working, that would be helpful. Okay, now they're not showing, or wait. Yeah, they are showing up. Undefined is not an object evaluating current event type. Render content. Come on. How come I can't? How do you, like, just make this thing open? I don't want it to open this, like, weird little view here. Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong one. Where is it being used? It is being used in the event details screen. This is what I want to see. Okay, there we go. So we need the event here. Don't need that, I don't think. I will eventually, but not right now. So render content. Why did I even make this a separate thing? Shouldn't be. This should be its own thing. Oh, is that why? It gets awkward, doesn't it? It does get awkward. But this is being passed through as a current event. Do I want this to just be event? I think. And I don't know if I want to really call this just render content. Should be more like event type, I guess. Render event type. Let's rename this. Okay, render event type. Yes. And then we will have the event, and this will just be event here. And then I go to render event type. Import that. Yeah, so, okay. Render event type is being pulled in there. Render talk should be working. I mean, I don't know if I really should have render event type as the name of this. It might be better if it's like just event by type or something like that, but I'll think about that. Okay, so so that's all done. Let's go back to the event details screen. Nope, not that one. Let's go back to the, actually it was actually the render event type screen. Okay, now we need the workshop. Let's bring in workshop. We're making progress. Okay. If I click around in live share while read only, it changes nothing on your side, right? Yeah, that's the idea. Can you select stuff and like have me see it? I don't think you're actually connected right now, but if you were, I'd be curious. Okay, so this workshop's pretty straightforward. So let's create a workshop here. Export function render workshop props. It's actually just like event. Render workshop props. Type. See, this stuff was already brought in by the other one, so we're good. If I just go let talk, hit F2, event, and then delete that. And I do need the full size, which is somewhere else here. Dude Zebra. I like it. That was funny. No, it didn't show up on my end? Ah, okay. It's weird because like David's actually did work. But that would be really cool if we did some pairing, and actually I put like both of our video feeds up, and then like we're able to be in a live share. That'd be really cool. All right, so that looks pretty solid to me. I just have to pull that in, and we have to pass it in the event. All right, cool. Let's do the break. This one has a little more to it, but it's still pretty basic. right. Export function render break props, render break props, type render break props equals event, and then okay, got those things. We do need the full size in here. No. Okay, and then import this. No, Emmet. View. Image. And full width image. I'm going to have to find that. By the way. Oh, yeah. Okay. Pull that in. Image dimensions. I have, all of that kind of dialed up here. So. I think it's this. Yeah, it is. Because I can just pull that from there. Okay. And then we need text. And we need the title style. So let's go grab that. Title is right here. I may want to pull some of these things into like a common styles thing. I don't know. I like co-locating though. It's nice. Like when you put these next to each other, it makes it so that if you deleted this file, all of those styles also just die. And it's harder to do when you're importing from somewhere else. It's harder to know whether you can delete it or not. Sponsor container right there. I assume all these things are going to be needed too, so I'll just bring that in. Yeah, just like that. And we need the description. Label somewhere. Yeah, label and description as well. Nice. Having trouble connecting. Whoa. Jiminy crickets. That was weird. Okay. Thanks for the follow, Jason. How's it going, Jason? What's up? It's been a while. I know you've been streaming a lot. Old message, I'm hard creeping this code. Yeah, hey. Nice to see you around. Thanks for the follow. Right now, we're currently working on... Well, this is broken right now. Quite broken. Not so broken. So this is the Chain React app, and I'm just kind of hacking on remaking it at Expo so that it's easier to maintain going forward. Render menu item. Gonna need to replace that. Didn't realize you were streaming. I just wrapped and should have radioed. Oh, that would have been fun. That would have been fun. Hey, next time though. And I need to make sure I'm following you because I need to be able to raid you with my 4 followers. J Langstore. Did I spell it wrong? Lings. That would be a T, not a D. That's probably a common mistake, hey? Alright, let me hit follow on this. Oh no, I'm already following you. So if you're if you're doing some stuff. Oh, you just wrapped with Becca, right? Yeah, that's awesome. How'd that go? Pattern with the AWS CDK for TypeScript. We're doing some ML stuff today. Nice. Image classification. I know she's been going through Gantt's book lately, which is cool, which I've got. So I know that she's been doing some of that stuff, and I know that you and Gantt have done some stuff with that too on your stream, which is awesome. Yeah, very cool. Render menu item. I need to go find that. That's a pretty basic thing though. So I think I'm just going to drop it in. So item and index. And then I need all the menu item, text, and bullet. So grab bullet from there. Yeah, I've been following it a little bit. I'm on like chapter 3 right now. I intend eventually to do it more on stream and stuff like that, but have not got there yet. Okay, so this is the menu items thing. I think that's fine. Like just drop it in like that. It's not necessarily how I usually like to do it, but it'll do the job. So I feel like render break is done. Gantt was hanging out today. We tried to tease him adequately. Yes, that guy requires teasing. Mercilessly. I'm glad you did your job there. And he's good to have around just to kind of like let you know when you're on the wrong path or whatever. Okay, event details screen. Now I just have to go back to... Okay, now I have to import this. I really need to be adding... event. Equals event here. All right. I need to be adding workshops and breaks and stuff like that to my data to test this stuff. So let's do that. Let's do that. So... let's see here. Got ID. Actually, I should just copy and paste this stuff. Workshop. Beginner. Basic React Native, let's say. Okay, and then we'll start at like 9 a.m. It'll be 5 p.m. Duration will be all day. And this will be on Wednesday. I mean, this isn't real. I'm just putting stuff in here. Workshop. Basic React Native workshop. Jamin and Gantt teach you how to React Native. And then image, I'm just going to leave like that. Location might be something like, I don't know, the Benson or something. And we're not going to go to the Benson this year, I don't think, but prerequisites should be none. And sponsor is going to be Learn with Jason, because he's going to be sponsoring us. Let's see here. So reload. It's not showing up. Let's go to the event here and see what event type. Right now we just have it as a string. This should really be like an enum. Because there's like only a certain number of things. Yeah, so like that it can be, right? So there's all of these things here. So like panel, after party, break. Let's see here. Is this the only place that it exists? Because event type lower. It's just any. Yeah, I don't like that. All right, well, we'll copy them over. And after party, break, all of these things, lunch, and breakfast. Okay. If I go back here, I can just start pasting them in. Break. Panel. Did I already do after party? I did not. Got breakfast though. And so I think I'll start with talk. So that's kind of like the default, I guess. I'll just put that as the default here. Well, what? Okay, that's cool with that, I guess. All right, so enumeration, one of these things, basically. All right. So what did that break? Because I bet that breaks some stuff. I do not like this schedule cell at all. We really need to refactor it, is what we need to do, because this is utter crap. Yeah, see, it's just a string. And everything's already lowercase, so why not just go event type? Okay. Okay, yeah, that seems to actually have worked. So this needs to be refactored. Yeah, to do convert this. That's gonna be a lot more work, but I need to do it. So, question: any workshops showing up yet? We got something broken here. On snapshot, setup root store, Mavic state tree node, event, speakers, okay. So yeah, this is okay, that's interesting. Let me go to my setup root store. We're trying to set this up, and Tron, Reactotron should have it in our timeline. Okay, error when converting event store to root store. Value announcement is not assignable. Hey, it worked. So it did break it. That's good. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So Announcement needs to be part of it here. I don't know what order to put these in, but okay, let's reload this whole thing. No error. No error. Not showing up for Wednesday though. So let's go take a look at that. Or it's schedule, right? Schedule. Screen. Schedule workshops is right here, and we're grabbing. Oh, and I don't need that. What we need to do here is, with this one, is go event store set current. What the heck? Okay. Let's just grab it ourselves because const event store. Is this a huge project? Feels like a huge project. It's a full app. It's a real app. That actually has to, like, you know, be on the App Store and stuff like that. So that's the after party. Oh, track beginner, intermediate, and advanced. That's what that is. Okay, let's go back to our event. I'm discovering things. Didn't know this was a thing. So track needs to be types dot enumeration, and then we'll go beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And then in our data, yeah, this is a pretty decent sized project. It's not like huge, but where's my track? Oh, there's track. Okay. So this track is for, or no, that one needs a track. This one will be beginner. And then this will be null. So the track does need to be, yeah, beginner, intermediate, advanced. And then we have after party. And that's what that should be. So that it's nice when the event type actually like enforces. TypeScript will enforce that, hey, you have to do the right thing here. So set current, what the? Set current event to this event, right? And then this will be event here. And the event needs to be from models. There we go. Okay. Now, something else wrong here, right? What was I looking for? Oh, hey, no, it's showing up. Yeah, let's reload. Basic React Native. Yeah, nice. Beginner. Can't find variable React. So let's go to event details screen. We have to import React. No way, it's right there. I think it's because in these other render things, I didn't do that. Been lazy. And you used to not have to do that. This is actually a fairly new thing that you have to import React in React Native. They used to just kind of assume everything needed, you know, everything had React on it. Not so anymore. You have to be more explicit. Well, bro, thanks in advance for streaming. That's awesome. Yeah, no problem at all. I mean, this needs to be done anyway. And from my perspective, like the previous, I'll actually send you a link to the previous, let's see here, chain React 2019. This is the one that, let's see here. Let's see, you're on Twitch. Okay, tossing it over to Twitch. So I just sent you a link to the old one. That's the old one. which hasn't been updated in a couple of years because it actually originally initial commit was 4 years ago. So this was actually Chain React 2017 was the first time we did this one. There's a previous 20. Actually, is there a 2017? Yeah, there is. So there's a Chain React 2017 that was revamped. This is original Chain React app, and then we redesigned it, rebuilt it in 2019, and now I'm doing it for 2022. So yeah, a lot to this one. Okay, what's it? I cannot find. Let's reset. Reload. Hey, nice. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. That went to infinite red, I guess. Nice. Very cool. What's this complaining about? Yeah, can you tell me which one? Speaker bio. Okay. Let's go to the speaker bio. Could we just call this key then? Because like if I could do that, then I think that fixes it. I mean, I think that's how that works. Let's reload. Oh, yeah. Shoot. I'm in a bad state here. No! Good stuff. Yeah, I hope so. I'm enjoying it. So I'm in this weird state right now. I broke something. Like if I just bring that back and go back to oh yeah, I don't need to do the event store here anymore. Nope. I'm doing something wrong here. Social button. I think this is just supposed to be K there. That's right. No, it is key. Okay. Speaker image. Key. Key. No, that's not it. What did I just changed something to key and I don't know why. Oh, is it? I don't know what it is. Like, I don't know what I just changed. I don't remember it. But this thing is in a bad state. Let's just swipe the whole thing away. Oh, hey. Come on. Device. Home. Swipe it away. Then let's try to open it again. I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I need to go eat some lunch. So once I get out of this bad state here. Oh, come on. Really? No. EltW0. Hey, thanks for the follow. I am currently in a difficult state here, so I don't know exactly what's going on. Let's go see. Come on, TypeScript, help me out here. This thing is still saying that there's something wrong, but I don't know what. Here, let me kill VS Code and like reload it up. TypeScript needs to help me out here and tell me what I'm doing wrong, because there's something screwy here. I also think that the navigation state is currently in a weird spot or something. Yeah. The only thing that TypeScript is telling me wrong is in this file, and I don't see anything wrong in this file, so. You're lying. It was, I think, maybe in the speaker bio. We had, yeah, right here. So this is supposed to be, okay, that's supposed to be K right there. All right. And then we could do like key equals link, I guess. And then that would take care of that problem. So let's reset the app. No current event. Okay, let's go look at that. No current event found. So for some reason this is getting loaded up, the event detail screen, even though I don't want it to. Is there a navigation dot reset? There is. Okay. I'm gonna go into Reactotron, and on custom command, I'm going to, don't know what that is, but navigation, which should be a use navigation. Reset, like so. Reset. Welcome. No. It is. It's nice, Zebra. Seriously. The integration between TypeScript and VS Code was what really led me to adopt it several years ago. So, so like this, so we can't just say like reset. How about we just say navigate to welcome? Maybe? Then I can just go in here to the custom command and send. Oh, you can navigate to a screen by name. That's cool. Send command. Doesn't appear that it's. Yeah, that's not going to work because I can't use a hook inside of there. Okay. Clearly not working here. I'm just going to delete the app entirely. Let's see, can I tell it to... and then like restart my server and probably restart Expo, then hit run on iOS, and we'll see what happens. I just don't want it to be in a broken state when I leave, you know? Like that always sucks. Hey. Ready? There it is. There it is. Each child in a list. Okay, I want to see what that speaker bio. Okay, still speaker bio here. Okay, there's 2 maps here. So this one probably needs it as well. Okay, that'll be our key. Cool. Oops, 2 children with the same key. Oh, null. Okay. Only if, so we really only want, so we want to filter link keys. What is it? But only where something exists, right? If it doesn't exist, we don't want to do it. So filter the key where links k like exists, basically. And then we shouldn't get that same duplicate issue because if it doesn't exist, it won't show up. So yeah, good. And it only shows the ones that work. Now, I don't know why when I click that, it goes to the other one, but oops. Wait, what? No, what I want to do is, no. Okay. What's the button to send home? It's command option H. That doesn't work on this. Huh. Okay. Okay, so I think we're back in a good state now. So I can go ahead and wrap up. Let me GS. Wow, we did a bunch. We did a bunch. On rendering events or event details screen. And that's where we are, and that's what we're going to go ahead and pick this back up potentially Monday. Next week's tough because I'm going to be off Thursday, Friday. I'm going to be off the next week as well. I will hopefully be streaming Wednesday at 1 p.m. So if you're hanging out with me, go ahead and you know, put it on your calendar that we're going to be hanging out Wednesday 1 p.m. next week. Monday it would probably be more like Monday night, although you know it's hard to say. So yeah, lots going on this weekend. It's going to be a busy weekend for me. Hope you all have a great weekend, and thanks for hanging out with me today. Really fun vibes here. Yeah, Command Shift H didn't work for me for some reason. I don't know why, Mazen. And we're making progress. So that's always fun. And I don't know why my webcam is always like way off. I have to turn my laptop way further than it should be. I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, thanks, Mur. Appreciate you swinging by. And also Derek for helping out. And I will see you all next time. Before I go, I always like to check and see if there's anybody we should maybe like raid here. Twitch TV. I always forget exactly. It's dashboard. Twitch TV. Stream manager, I think is what I'm looking for. Yeah, there it is. And let's see if anybody else is online. Chris is up. Atomic Duck. No, I think we're good. I don't think we'll do it this time. Maybe next time. So, anyway,